Hey friends, welcome back. Let's talk about Reef Finance. I give update on Reef's price and where you should buy and where you should sell on a weekly basis. So if you want to keep track of the price and where you should buy and sell, feel free to subscribe. So we always look, here's the price of Reef, and we always look at the daily chart first because we want to have a big picture of the price. This gives us hint of where the price is going. So as you can see, price has made a high of close to 5.6 cents. Right, and then it has dipped down to 2.9 cents. So what is happening? Right, so Reef made a dip because Bitcoin made a huge dip. Bitcoin dropped 22%. So of course, when Bitcoin drops, altcoins drops. Okay, so second thing we want to do is identify a chart pattern. Why is that? Chart pattern allows you to buy low and sell high. So when you want to look at a chart pattern, you go to the 4-hour, and I look at the price right here, and I can see that it's making a downward channel. So when you're drawing a channel, you want the price to touch 2 times, like once, twice. See how it's touching the candle here and here? Okay. And it's touching the candle here and here. Look at this channel, how the price respects the channel. And what does the channel tell us? It tells us that there is sell pressure. That's why it's going downward. Whenever price goes up, people are willing to sell at a lower price, and they're willing to buy at a lower price. So it's going down and down and down. We look at the chart pattern because we can tell and know where to buy low and sell high. And that's how you make money over the long run. Buy low, sell high over and over and over again. Why is that? Because if you have bought here and you have sold here, you would have made 20% on your money. And this is not even touching the resistance at 30%. Again, if you see it touching the trend line and you have bought in here, sold here, you will have made 30% on your money. Now, this is just a small picture on the 4-hour chart because we're in a bull market, and at some point, if you think we're still going up, then this price action will break up. So what you want to do is you want to wait for the market to reveal its hand. A lot of times I see people in the market, they say, oh, well, refinance is at 22.7 cents. It's cheap. I want to buy here. But what if the price goes like this? And it keeps going lower and lower and lower till back to 1 cent, 1.4 cent, and you're stuck bag holding at a 47% loss. So that's why it's so important to look at the chart, analyze it, and more importantly, wait for the market. That's what you have to do. You have to be patient and wait for the market to reveal its hand. So what I want to see for me to buy is I want the price to break out of this. Clean break, it goes down and it goes up. So this is the price action I would like to see. Here, I'll give you, if I can find it, bar patterns. Yeah, so this is what I would like to see. It's not perfect, but like this. How price breaks down, and hovers above this channel. It means that the market is bullish. It means that the price wants to break out. Okay, now I want to give you another example of something that you should be careful of. See, the price spikes up and people thought that it's going to break out, but it got rejected and goes down. Look at this candle, right? This candle, I'm going to mark it right here. And then we zoom in at the 1 hour to have a more detailed look. And look at this. Price went up, and price went up, and it quickly got shot down. That's why you always look at the different time frame. 4 hour. Notice how there's a long wick, and when you zoom into 1 hour, you can have more detailed analysis of the candles, and you see how it shot up and it got rejected. If we go to like the lower charts to the 15-minute, you can see that how it quickly spiked up, it struggled, and it shot down. Right. Okay. So it goes back to the question: where should you buy, and when should you sell? So let's assume for a second that price goes something like this. This is why you have to watch the market. Let's assume the price goes to something like this, and it breaks out. And you know, this is where the price is breaking out because it has broken out this channel. Then you would want to measure how much money that you can gain. So, and a good measure is the previous local all-time high right here. So from here up to here would be a 96% gain on your money. And what you want to do when you're trading, always is manage the risk. How much money you're willing to lose and how much money you're willing to win. This is how you make money over the long run. Risk management is what professionals do. So, and it sounds complicated, but it's not. Let me explain to you. So say you assume that the price action has went here. You watch the market, it broke out and it's retesting. It means that the market is bullish. Bitcoin's raising, altcoins are raising. So you would buy here. This is your entry. And then your take profit will be all the way up the previous local all-time high. And this is your stop loss. Okay, so let me explain. So say the price goes, it broke out and it goes all the way up to the top again. So say you have invested $5,000. That means you have made 96% of your $5,000. However, if the price goes down like this, it means that it went back to the channel and the price action is not bullish anymore, it's bearish. So then you will get stopped out this trade. You're out this trade and you will lose 23% of your $5,000 investment. You see how you have potentially lose 23%, but you gain 96%? This is how you have a mathematical edge over the market. When you trade like this, you win over and over and over again. This is how professional traders trade, not a person that buys and hope. All right, friend? And I have more good news for you. It is it's still the bull market because Grayscale Investment, this big investment firm, they're buying up all these alts. And as you know, this company buys a lot of altcoins and they have to hold. And this is where people can buy quote unquote Bitcoin shares on the stock market. Yeah. And we are still in a bull market if you're watching this video right now. Because watch this video, Bitcoin will crash, but when backed by data. And to summarize, probably by summertime, around summer to fall is when the bull market is over. All right. So to recap, watch the market, watch it for it to break out, and please practice risk management. That's how you make money over the long run and you stop losing so much money. All right, friend, if you enjoyed this video, please join my premium group on Telegram. It's a group that we have 40 members and you can chat with me, pick my brain. I will also share with you a winning portfolio strategy where you can set and forget. So if you have a daytime job, you can just not look at the charts all day. You can also, I'll share with you my hottest coins to 10x your money, and most importantly, where to sell for maximum profit. Because this bull market won't last forever, and you don't want to be caught bag holding and seeing your portfolio go down 90%. So yeah, so it's $30 to join, which is peanuts in this bear market, in this bull market, and it will save you money in the long run. So thank you so much. If you like it, please like and subscribe because I will make weekly REEF video updates on the price action. And I will most definitely watch this chart for you. And if it breaks out and goes up, I will definitely give you a make video and give you early warning so you can buy in. Not financial advice, just for educational purposes only. Anyways, thank you so much, friend. I'll see you in the next video.